Tensions between China and the United States have escalated yet again as China announces sanctions on several U.S. defense firms. This move comes amidst ongoing disputes over issues such as Taiwan and arms sales. The affected companies include aerospace giant Boeing and other prominent players in the U.S. defense industry. According to reports from various sources including The Hindu, Business Today, ECNS, Texoma's homepage, Deccan Herald, and CNBC TV 18, China's Ministry of Commerce has issued bans on certain U.S. firms from engaging in import and export activities. This decision is a direct response to recent arms sales to Taiwan by the United States, a move that has irked Chinese authorities. The sanctions imposed by China target not only the companies involved but also their executives. This is seen as a significant escalation in the ongoing trade and geopolitical tensions between the two global powers. Boeing, one of the world's largest aerospace companies, finds itself among the entities sanctioned by China. Alongside Boeing, other U.S. defense contractors have also been affected, although specific details about the extent of the sanctions remain unclear. The timing of China's announcement is notable, coming just weeks after the United States approved a major arms sale to Taiwan. This sale included advanced weaponry such as missiles and artillery, further exacerbating tensions between Beijing and Washington. China's actions are part of a broader strategy aimed at countering what it perceives as U.S. interference in sensitive regional issues. Taiwan, in particular, remains a highly contentious issue, with China viewing it as a renegade province that must be reunited with the mainland. The latest round of sanctions underscores the deepening rift between the world's two largest economies. With both sides unwilling to back down, the prospect of further escalation looms large. The implications of these sanctions extend beyond just the companies involved, potentially impacting global supply chains and trade relations. The situation remains fluid, with developments expected in the coming days and weeks. However, one thing is clear, tensions between China and the United States show no signs of abating, with both sides digging in their heels on key issues. As the world watches closely, the implications of this latest escalation are likely to reverberate across the geopolitical landscape. The potential for further economic disruptions and security challenges remains a cause for concern.